Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project and data so the report can be built. Open Visual Studio and create a VB. NET project type that matches your delivery, Windows Forms or ASB. Net. Once done, add a typed dataset, data table, or your ORM models to represent the data shape. This is critical for design time binding. Next, install a reporting library like Report Viewer or Crystal Reports via NuGet. Make sure to reference the report runtime assemblies so you can design and preview immediately. Now design the actual report layout with data binding and grouping. Open a new RDLC or RPT file and link the dataset or data source you prepared. This tells the designer where fields come from. Then create headers, body sections, groups, and footers, placing text boxes, tables, and charts, and using expressions for totals and formatting. Bind each control to specific dataset columns, and add report parameters for filtering or user input. This allows you to control runtime behavior and reusability. Finish by loading data, rendering, and exporting the report to users. In code, populate your data table or model, assign it to Report Viewer. Local report. Data sources, set any parameters, then call refresh report or render to produce PDF or Excel bytes. Make sure page size, margins, and printer settings match output requirements so layout stays consistent. If things go wrong, check that the dataset schema matches the report fields and refresh the report data sources. Mismatched fields are the most frequent cause of blank or broken reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.